Okay, hi guys, Miss Ariane 24, and look what we have here. A package. Wonder what it could be. Yes, I already know what it's gonna be, but yeah, this was meant to come last week, I think, and yeah, unlucky for us, it came today. So I'm gonna quickly snip. Oh, and go past the first layer, basically. There's a trash bags under this. Yes. All my rubbish there. We need some snippy snips. Okay. First layer absolutely demolished. Okay, again somewhere finally. Oh my god, it's in the tub of ice cream. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. I think I know what this is. Imagine if it actually is a tub of ice cream. Which way do you open this? Tape off first. Oh, I see some red. Yep, this is luckily and definitely not a tub of ice cream. Okay, that was kind of funny. Yeah, so before I open what's in here, yeah, we got some. So because the seller was kind of like sorry because it was meant to arrive last week.
No, he shipped it 2 days late. I think it was. So I think he sent you another thing.
I don't know.
I think.
But as a sorry, he put in another car. It doesn't have a wheel, but we can easily fix that. So no idea which one's which, to be honest. But yeah, let's just unwrap it. So first car is the Ferrari. Oh, it's the one without a wheel. Okay, so what is this actually? Oh, what? What is this car? This is really cool actually. Honestly, I can seriously just, just stick on a cardboard wheel. It's kind of like snapped off the axle. Or I can play like it's Flash or something. And I'm guessing here is the, wait. Yeah, just making sure if the, yeah. Here's the Testarossa. So excited to actually play with this once we go back upstairs. So, as you can see, the back opens. Really nice, just on that one, same. Doors open. Okay, I was just checking if the mirrors open as well. Wait, mirrors open as well. Oh, whatever. So we have two 124 cars and still one. Pretty good deal. And the mirrors, oh my god.
They might be both Testarossas, maybe.
I said mirrors and they're window wipers. Okay. Yes, makes sense. So this is really beautiful. And this one is really beautiful too. And honestly, I cannot wait to play with these. I'm gonna have a really big blast with these. So yeah. I think my brother's about to make a cardboard gun, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna make a tire and yeah. Bye bye.